Today, I'll show you how to clean up messy schematics in AutoCAD Electrical using 4 simple editing tools: Scoot, Align, Move, and Delete. If you right-click on the components, you can see the 4 options: Scoot, Align, Move, and Delete. If you right-click on the wire, you can also see the option Scoot. These commands are also available from the Schematic tab under Edit Components. Scoot lets you nudge wire segments without breaking connections. If you scoot the component, you can move it down the line. If you click Scoot on the wire, you'll move the whole rung and it will bring with it all the components in that rung. If we do that, we can start to add some very valuable spacing between the components and to help the drawing be more readable. We continue to put spacing in between the rungs. I'll move this one to the left. So now I'm happy that the spacing between the rungs is sufficient to make the drawing readable. Now we can see that all these components are misaligned, and the way to do that is to use the align function. If you go to the tab at the top, it will allow you to choose between vertical and horizontal alignment. By default, it will select the horizontal, which is the one that I want. So I'll select the first one on the left as the reference of the position, and all of them will become aligned to that one on the left. Next, I will do the same thing for the components at the bottom. And all the components are now aligned in groups at the top and at the bottom. You can see that some of this text is encroaching on the other component. So what I will do for this one is I will move the component a little bit up so the text is not on top of the other component. AutoCAD Electrical automatically updates the wire connections and put them on the right terminals. I will now delete a component which I do not need. So if I right-click on SF6 here and do delete, when you delete a component in AutoCAD Electrical, the software will automatically assume that you want to maintain the connectivity between the 2 wires that were connecting to the component. Of course, you need to pay attention and ensure that this is exactly what you want, or if you need to trim that wire. And as a quick comparison, just look at how it was before we started to tidy up and after the tidy up. And of course, I started with an exaggerated version of a messy wiring diagram, but you can still see how these functions are useful to make your drawing tidy and readable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.